guys, Caputo here, and I was not going to do a video on the toughest shell anymore because I think I did enough on Jimbo's products, but I'm doing this one because it's been 2 months. It's been over 1,000 miles, probably 1,500 miles, and I just started a rinse down on this car, and I wanted you to see, before the contact wash, I wanted you to see how well the toughest shell is doing, because I thought it was like video worthy. It's kind of unbelievable, actually. The car was fairly clean after a couple months, but this is 2 months later, over 1,000 miles, never garaged, driving back and forth to work 60 miles each way, and it looked pretty clean. I'm just taking the dust off of it, cleaning it off, the rain, spots, all that kind of crap. And I basically did a pre-soak with Incredible Suds from DIY, and I sprayed it down, let it soak for about 4 minutes, sprayed it, and I want to show you the water behavior before I do the contact wash. Hang tight. All right, so this is before the contact wash. Two months. About 1,500 miles. Rain, highway grime. I mean, it's literally acting like a proper ceramic coating. Look at that. Are you kidding me? This is actually better than the first version of Cerakote, just saying. Even on the wheels. All right, let's do a contact wash. Let's see how it behaves after the contact wash. All right, see in real time. First of all, it was rejecting the soap on the panels, so good first impression. It's perfect. It's like I have an actual coating on here. Like, I mean, I'm talking about like a coating that comes in a bottle. Still on the wheels. Still on the wheels. Look at that. 2 months, 1,500 miles, never garaged. even flooding. I mean, if you watch this, the paint doesn't even flood when I flood it with water. Let's try the hood now. Much better than the hardest shell. You have to be kidding me. Impressive as hell. By the way, the glass still has that fuso on it, the Glacco. Still working like a charm. That's nuts. I think I showed enough. That's ridiculous. You know, and you could put another coat on it if you really wanted to. Just a couple spritzes here and there. Kind of reinforce what you have. Both sides are doing it. Awesome. Awesome. Thanks, Jimbo. Appreciate it.